If you need to cancel a pending Spotify transaction, follow these steps to ensure that your request is processed before the transaction completes. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or username. Look for the Account or Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Check Payment History. In Account Settings, find the section that displays your payment history or subscriptions. Review the list to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After contacting support, wait for their response to confirm that the transaction has been cancelled. Check your payment method to ensure that no charge has been processed. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transaction on Spotify. If you have any further questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.